Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the RAYCON headphones and I'm going to tell you on ways to charge your earbuds. So, the first and most common way is to charge your earbuds using the power adapter power brick, as someone calls it. Someone may call it a charger too. It has to be a cable that has the cable that fits in our charger and has the USB Type-C finishment. Now, as you can see, if I plug my cable into the earbuds, they are working. The second way is to charge our earbuds using our phone. So, at first we have to prepare ourselves USB Type-C to C cable, and we have to make sure that our phone does support the reverse charging. Almost every phone with the USB Type-C port supports the reverse charging. So, as you can see, we have to at first plug our cable into our phone, and then the second part of it we have to plug into our earbuds, and as you can see, it works. The last way and the least effective way is to use our wireless charger, because it works with the wireless charger. We have our plate here for this. So yeah, that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.